It's the missing piece of the puzzle that's going to allow you to drop that stubborn body fat and see the muscle definition that your workouts have created. Forget about everything you think you know about nutrition. There's a hidden key that most people miss, and it's not about restriction, it's about eating smarter. It's time to stop focusing on restricting food and start using it to create the body you want. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that by revealing to you secret combinations of nutrients that actually turn your meals into powerful tools for burning fat, building muscle, and achieving the transformation that you've always wanted. These tips are going to change the way you think about food, fat loss, and fitness forever. Now, we know that different types of foods, also called macros or nutrients, interact in different ways in our body. But here's the secret. Specific combinations of these nutrients make a huge difference in how your body processes them and uses them, either storing it as body fat or using it as fuel to burn fat and build muscle. Now, you may have heard about food combining, that some foods should not be eaten together because of the way our body digests these foods, but science doesn't support that at all. In fact, our bodies are actually made to handle meals that are mixed with protein, carbs, and fats, and most foods are actually a combination of protein, carbs, and fats. For example, broccoli and salmon and almonds all contain fats, protein, and carbs. So separating your nutrients really is impossible. In an upcoming video, we'll explore the myths and misinformation about food combining and digestion. But in this video, we're going to talk about the food pairing that science does support. Without a doubt, the one major factor in changing your body is your nutrition. You can exercise all you want, but if your nutrition is not aligned with your goals, you're not going to see any changes. And that's why so many people start exercise programs or diets or both and never achieve any success at all. Whether you want to burn fat, gain muscle, or change some shape of your body, your nutrition is going to have the biggest impact. See, before your workout, your body needs the right foods in order to burn fat and to have enough energy to complete the workouts. And then after your workouts, your body needs the right balance of nutrients to help it change. And without the right foods and the right combinations, your body won't change and you'll just keep working out over and over without seeing any noticeable changes. Before we move on to combining the nutrients, let's do a quick review of what proteins, carbs, and fats do for your body. Protein builds the muscle, carbs provide the energy you need to train, and fats make you feel full and help support hormone and metabolic functions. And make sure you watch the video Macros Made Easy for a greater understanding of what protein, carbs, and fats can do for you. Knowing the basics of the major nutrients, let's take it one step further and understand how mixing these nutrients together can help make the changes you want to see. The first combination we're going to talk about is proteins and carbohydrates, and this translates into power. Carbohydrates provide available energy, and protein helps to regulate your blood sugar levels and give you a feeling of fullness longer and help with your muscle repair. Now, when you combine these two, that's where the real magic happens, because protein actually slows the absorption of the carbohydrates. This gives you a steadier state of release of that energy. You don't have those highs and lows, so your body knows it's okay to release fat for energy. The next combination is carbs and fat, and that means fullness. It also means flavor. So this combination is also going to give you better sustained energy and a longer feeling of fullness. The fat slows carb digestion, preventing energy crashes, and carbs provide readily available fuel. The body also burns fat more efficiently with readily available carbs. Carbs are our fuel source, and when your body has plenty of them, it doesn't need to store the fat for future use. Now, the combination of protein and fats would be considered endurance. Protein supports muscle building and helps to regulate those blood sugar levels so that your body can let go of fat, while fat provides sustained energy and helps your body absorb certain vitamins from that protein. Now, the real magic of changing your body comes when you combine and balance all three of these nutrients. Combining all three macronutrients does 4 very important things for your body. First, it gives balanced energy release. Number 2, enhanced nutrient absorption. This makes sure you're getting the most out of your food so that it can be used for muscle recovery and for fat loss. Number 3, improved feelings of fullness. And number 4, metabolic efficiency. Metabolic efficiency refers to how well your body can actually convert the food you give it into energy. A metabolically efficient body will burn more calories and store less fat. Combining these macronutrients helps your body burn fat more efficiently. Now that you know how these macro pairings can change your body, I'll give you some specific examples in the next video, including popular brands that make these combinations convenient. For a limited time, get a free copy of my ebook, Top 10 Weight Loss Secrets of Personal Trainers, link in the description.